Hello friends, good morning. How are you all? Today we are going to take the topic of testing types, different testing software testing types. So there are two types of software testing under system testing. They are functional testing and non-functional testing. We will see these in detail now. Functional testing and non-functional testing. Now coming to functional testing, it is a object level testing, means like object to object we will test every object in the application, software application. So functional testing is a type of software testing that validates the software system against the functional requirements or specifications. The goal is to ensure that each feature of the application works as expected. It involves testing the application's functionalities by providing appropriate input, verifying the output, and comparing the actual results with the expected outcomes. It's a type of black box testing only. So mm, some of the functional common functional testing tools are like Selenium for web applications, UTP or UFT, Quick Test Professional Unified Functional Testing tool, then Test Complete, PM for mobile applications, and Jira ALM for test management. These are the testing tools. Now, advantages of functional testing. Functional testing is the testing of each and every object in the application. The advantages are to ensure software meets business requirements, detects issues early in the development cycle, enhances the quality and reliability of the software, improves user satisfaction by aligning functionality with user expectations. So these are the advantages of functional testing. Now, non-functional testing. It is a type of software testing that focuses on evaluating the non-functional aspects of a software application, such as performance, reliability, usability, security, etc. It ensures that the software meets specific criteria for operational excellence and user satisfaction beyond functional requirements. Goals of non-functional testing are validate performance under load, ensure system reliability and availability, verify security against potential threats, measure usability and user friendliness, ensure compatibility across different environments like Windows and all. Now, types of non-functional testing. Functional testing, non-functional testing, performance testing checks how the system performs under varying loads, load testing, stress testing, etc. Usability testing ensures the system is user friendly. Security testing identifies vulnerabilities and ensures data protection. Compatibility testing verifies the application's functionality across various devices, browsers, and operating systems. Scalability testing determines the application's ability to handle growth in users or data. Reliability testing assesses system stability and error handling over time. Maintainability testing ensures the system is easy to update and maintain. Compliance testing validates adherence to industry standards and regulations. Disaster recovery testing ensures the system can recover from failures like power loss or server crashes. Localization and internationalization testing validates the system for different languages, regions, or cultural conventions. Importance of non-functional testing are enhances users' satisfaction with a reliable, fast, and secure application, ensures the application meets service level agreements, helps prevent issues under real world conditions, builds a robust foundation for scaling the system. Now, tools of Non-functional testings are performance testing, J-meter, load runner, Gatling, etc. Security testing, OWASP, ZAP, burp suit, Nessus, etc. Usability testing, Crazy Egg, Optimizely, etc. Compatibility testing, browser stack, cross-browser testing, etc. Reliability and scalability testing, Apache benchmark, K6, etc. Now the difference between functional and non-functional testing regarding objective verifies the application's functionality against requirements. In non-functional testing, evaluates the system's performance, usability, and other non-functional aspects. Focus ensures what the system does is correct. Ensures how the system performs under various conditions. Types of testing: black box testing focusing on outputs for given inputs. In non-functional testing, often involves measurement of system attributes like speed, scalability, and security. Examples: login functionality, form submissions, API responses. In non-functional, response time, load handling and security, vulnerabilities, compatibility, etc. Testing approach validates actions, workflows, and specific behaviors. Validates attributes like performance, reliability, and user experience. Requirement tested, functional requirements, non-functional requirements. Tools: Selenium, Test Complete, Postman, JMeter, Load Runner, OWSP, ZAP. End user concern ensures the application fulfills its purpose correctly, ensures the application performs efficiently and securely. Execution performed before non-functional testing, performed after functional testing is complete. So these are some of the differences between functional and non-functional testing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get the notifications. Thank you very much.